It's your boy, Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Nick of Fort Collins, Colorado writes us, I sustained hail damage to my roof. My claim was first denied due to no damage. I then had a roofer confirm that there was damage. I'm assuming it's hail. Insurance company agreed to come back out with their roofer. However, they only agreed to pay for a partial roof replacement, which leaves my property looking terrible. I have a mismatched roof and live in a condo owners association where this will not be approved. All other major carriers in my area agreed to replace the entire roof of other properties. My condo owners association will not accept this, and the insurance company was very argumentative when I tried to discuss this with them. I'm now going to leave the carrier. So this comes up a lot. Like, is the insurance company allowed to do that? It just depends. It depends on what your policy says. In my estimation, I don't think so. If your roof was piecemeal together and splotchy with different colors and it was not a uniform appearance prior to the storm, you may deserve a roof that is splotchy and mismatched and not uniform appearance after the storm, right? But most policies require that the insurance company meet the requirement of indemnification, meaning your property has to be as good or better than before the loss. That's just a quick, simple, Taylor version of indemnification, a definition of indemnification, okay? That you have to be as good or better than before the loss, depending on the policy type that you have. And the policy, let's just be clear real quick. The policy is just a contract. They don't want to call it contract because it has a negative connotation, but a policy is a contract between you, the insured, and the insurer, which is the insurance company or the carrier, okay? And so that contract, that policy dictates how they must operate when it comes to a claim. They have requirements that they have to fulfill. You have requirements that you have to fulfill in the event of a loss, okay? And they are required to uphold their agreement in that policy contract. And so if you have an insurance company that is not treating you fairly, that you know they should be treating you a certain way based on the policy and not necessarily treating you a certain way, but doing a certain thing to make you whole or indemnify you after a loss, and they're not doing that, you have to fight back because they are hoping, okay? These insurance companies hope that you give up. They hope that you stop fighting because when you do, they win and they make more money. It's not fair. It's not fair to you. It's not fair to other homeowners around you, okay? Ultimately, you paid for this within your premiums for your insurance. You deserve to get that property taken care of. And so I want you to contact us if you have a residential, commercial, industrial, municipal, school district, whatever it might be, okay? I want you to contact us as soon as possible because the sooner you contact us, the more options that you have, okay? Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.